Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Born Pretty, Heure Bleue, and this is a Beauty Big Plate 024. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Born Pretty's Heure Bleue. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's a gorgeous multi-chrome, chocked full of beautiful stuff in this one. I'm going to start with Sister Chic's Paris Nights, a black base. Will do this polish a lot of oomph without too many coats. You could use any dark base. You could use like a dark purple, a dark green. I just had black out, so I just went ahead and used it. So I'm going to do one smooth, easy peasy coat of Sister Chic Lacquer's Paris Nights. And now I'm going to go in with this insanely gorgeous polish. Now this was sent to me for a review. I will have a link for it down below. I do not get paid by Born Pretty, but I do get sent products for demo and review on my channel. I will have a link. I don't get any commission or anything, so it's a direct link just to get you there if you want to go and check it out. Look at that. Blue, green, teal, purple. Just gorgeous. I'm going to top it with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And this one is one of 3 that I got from the Black Orchid collection, or the Black Orchid series. So I will have 2 more of these to share. But this is just stunning all on its own. Insanely gorgeous. I could sit and play with that all day. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'm going to be using this Beauty Big Bang 024 plate. This was also another thing that was sent for me for a review, and I will have a link for it as well down below. I've got my 2 stampers, my beauty scraper, and here is Shut Out by Braves Diva. I'm going to be doing some, I guess, reverse stamping, advanced stamping. I don't know. I'm going to clean it. Excuse me, real quick with some acetone and a paper towel. And I'm just going to swatch out a couple of these onto my stampers. Stamp out, not swatch out. We're going to swatch them out. And then I'm going to fill them in. And just see how that goes for me today. Beautiful stamping plate. I love that it's got the like different basket weavings down below on the second half of your nail. I'll be using NSO6 from Nicole Diary and this cerulean polish with no H on the end. And I'm just going to use a dotting tool to fill these flowers in. Now I'm not going to fill in the green on the leaves because, you know, the polish kind of, well, it flashes green. It don't kind of flash green. It flashes green a lot. But, and I'm not going to fill in any of the basket. I'm just filling in the flowers on these. I just figured it would make for a very cute mani. So I've changed to the bigger end of the dotting tool. I just did like the centers with the more purpley blue color. I'm going to use this light blue to do in the rest of this one. And just like before, I'm going to tell you, you don't have to be super duper neat and worry about staying in the lines. It's okay to get outside the lines. It's not so noticeable. You may notice it, but others won't really. Gorgeous. Love it. So I'm going to fill this other one in. And I decided to go ahead and show both of them today because they're totally 2 different images. So I thought I would just kind of, you know, share them both. So I am doing like on the other one. Even though they are different flowers, I'm kind of dotting the centers with this light blue. I've switched up the, you know, which ones are the dots. And then I'm going to go in and finish it out with this darker color. And you could do this with a nail art brush, or, you know, even I see people do them with the brush from the bottle. I've never attempted that because I have enough trouble with even just dots. So I haven't tried using the brush. And I have done it with nail art brushes before, so I guess I'm more comfortable with the dotting tool for this one. I'm going to have to I have to get some more polish out on that mat. We're running out. I'm trying to make it work, but it's not. So I had to get some more polish. Now we're just going to finish this one on out. I have changed to the smaller end of the dotting tool. And I'm flipping it around, checking to see if there's any like obvious holes that I need to fill in. That is one of the things I love about the clear stampers. They were a game changer for nail art. So there we go. I'm going to let those totally dry. And now I'm going to apply this Pro FX. Now I'm just brushing like a regular thin coat on my nails. I'm not going all crazy. And I do let it dry for just a few. I wouldn't even say a real few minutes, just a couple of minutes. And then I messed up on this tip. It didn't quite take, so I reached in and just patched it with some leftover image. And it worked really well. It's just that nail's so curvy, it just didn't take all the way around. Out of frame Tina again. There we go. We got our images on them nails. Yay! And I am going to use this little cuticle tool to cut off the excess to make cleanup easy. And now I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and some acetone. Kind of melt the decal down and clean up the rest of those sidewalls there and along the free edge of my nail. I just do a tapping motion with it. And this one's pretty much done. It was so easy. And I just love doing manicures like this. So there we go. I'm going to top it with the little bit of Born Pretty Smudge Free top coat that I have left. And let that dry down completely before I apply my regular top coat. This one was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Beautiful, beautiful manicure. So, like I said, I will leave links down below for all these items that I have shown in this video. I appreciate you watching, and I would love to hear from you as I finish up topping this with Poshe top coat. I would love to hear from you. I know I'm not answering replies as quickly as before, but I've got a little busy, so. But here is the final manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. There's my swatch photo. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.